Life is really very interesting for me right now. I have a lot of positive things on the horizon, yet I feel very pulled. Do I make the right decision? Is this the right one? Is the timing right for that? And in the midst of it all, today, I decided I'm just going to pull the plug. I am going to unplug today and center me. And one of the things I did was hit my playlist and just found songs that went back to my childhood, went back to my junior high years, high school years, looking at the summers of each one of those. And it put so many things into perspective for me.